In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Copilot. If you want to remove Copilot from your taskbar and keep your desktop looking a little cleaner, this is a very quick process. The good news is that you don't need to change a lot of settings or go through a long setup. You can do it in just a few moments directly from your Windows search. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu and also places your cursor into the search area, which makes it easy to quickly find apps and system tools. If your Start menu doesn't appear right away, just press the Windows key once more and make sure you're back on your desktop. Next, type Copilot into the search box. As you type, Windows should start showing matching results almost immediately. Look for Microsoft Copilot in the results list. This search step is useful because it helps you go directly to the Copilot app without needing to manually look through your taskbar or settings. Once you see Copilot in the search results, look for the option that says Unpin from Taskbar and click it. As soon as you select that option, Copilot will be removed from the taskbar, which means its icon will no longer stay visible at the bottom of your screen. It's worth noting that unpinning Copilot from the taskbar hides the shortcut, but it doesn't necessarily uninstall the feature from your computer. If your goal is simply to stop seeing the icon and reduce clutter, this method is usually all you need. Later on, if you decide you want it back, you can search for Copilot again and pin it back to the taskbar. If you don't see the Unpin from Taskbar option right away, make sure you selected the correct Copilot result in the Windows search. In some versions of Windows, the wording or layout may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. And that's it. By pressing the Windows key, searching for Copilot, and choosing Unpin from Taskbar, you can quickly turn off its taskbar presence in just a few seconds. This is a simple way to customize your Windows experience and keep only the apps you actually use within easy reach. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.